Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a tutorial video about Shutterstock, and today I will show you how you can sell your photos or videos in Shutterstock. So if you are searching to sell your photos or videos, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me, and don't skip, otherwise you will miss the details. Okay, so stay tuned. First we will open a Google Chrome. Then search Shutterstock. If you are watching my videos, so you can get the link below to my description. We got the results. So first link, click on that, then you will see the interface like this. Then, well, if you scroll down, you can see about your accounts. So if you have already the account, so you can see here as I have. So if you don't have account, nothing to worry. How you can make your account, I will show you now. Follow my instruction as I am showing on the screen. Okay, so because as I have already the one account, so for you guys I have to make one more account. So I change my ID and I go for the new ID, and now I searching again to the Google Chrome. So you don't need to do this again. Okay, so follow this, and first of all we will make a Shutterstock account. One more thing, for the Shutterstock they have some rules that you have to follow. Then you can submit your photos, then they will approve, otherwise they will reject your photos. Well, now whatever you are seeing in the screen, these are the best and top topic for the photos, selling photos. So you can follow from here. So you can go to the menu, and then here you have, if you have account already, then you don't need to do anything. If you want to make new account, so you have to log out, and then you have to go again, create it. Okay, so put your email password, then next, and then you will see your ID. Great, now we already create an account in Shutterstock. Alright, as you are seeing here, here we create account, but here only you can buy a photos. I know, so now we have to create account for Shutterstock Contributor. So we can only sell photos or videos in this, like Shutterstock Contributor. So we search here and we got the result. On the first link we will click. Then here we have to create again to our account or refill all the fill ups. Okay, because we have create already the same email, you have to give here. Don't forget every details you have to fill up. Alright, now we will go to Gmail for checking the email, because there we will get our verification email, and there will be one link. You have to just need to click on that link, and then you just skip and come out from there. Because I have account, that's why they show me the previous one, so you don't need to worry about. So you will see something like this. Okay, so you will come back to the previous one. Okay, so after that you will see all of these things, okay, step by step. And then now we can go for our image uploading. Click there and click on the image. Then see here, first read this properly, because here they said minimum your photos must be 4 MBs. Okay, and videos must be like 30 to something like this, means maximum 1 minute video you can upload. Alright, now click on next. Then you can see something like this. Then you have to click on the image. Then you can find for detailing the photos, because before you submit you have to fill up all the details and tags. Don't forget to fill up everything, because otherwise if you don't fill up anything, you cannot able to submit your photos for selling. Okay, after you submit everything, then you can get the photos. You can see your photos in now pending. They will approve your photos within 3 days or 4 days, and then you can see your photos in the review. That means your photo is accepted or rejected, whatever is any options, your photo will be go for. All right, now you have to fill up all of your profile, and then you can see your earning. If it is sell or someone download your photos, then you can get your earning.